In another fresh attack to the Meitei residence, Kuki militants launched drone bombings at Imphal West's Kangchup under Lamsang police station around 8 p.m. yesterday. Twin drone bombings fell simultaneously and blasted at a spot at the village, which was just around 20 meters away from the place where Manipur rifles are being stationed to safeguard the villages. However, no one was injured in the drone bombings. Villagers questioned their safety to the government while expressing strong suspicion that the drone bombings may have been carried out either from the hideouts near the foothills of Kangchup, Kangchup Polel, or Kangchup Tuikul. One of the villagers asked how come Kuki militants carried out drone bombings in Kangchup area from the Kuki villages despite deploying CRPF personnel at Kangchup Chiru, Kangchup Polel, Kangchup and Songnung. He drew the attention of authorities concerned on the attack, which he described as deliberately targeting to Manipur Rifles personnel who safeguard the villages.